I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Stop spending your evenings on paperwork. PD Tech is here to help you get your weekends back.
In this video, we show you how to import bills in Xero. From the Purchases menu, select Bills. Click the arrow next to New Bill, then choose Import from CSV. Xero provides a handy CSV template to make importing your bills easier. Click Download the Xero import template to get the CSV file. Read the information in Step 2 to ensure you create a CSV file which Xero can successfully import. Export a list of supplier bills from a previous system, if you can, ready to copy and paste details into the template to save time. Once downloaded, find and open the template. It's important that the heading names are left unchanged for the import to be successful. Complete the spreadsheet with the bill details. Required fields for a successful import are marked with an asterisk, such as contact name, invoice number, and dates. Ensure contact names in the import file match existing contact names in Xero to prevent duplicates. If a contact doesn't exist, Xero creates a new one for you. Enter as much information as possible for new contacts so you don't have to manually add details into their Xero contact record after the import. Xero uses a default format, day, month, year for date columns, so check the dates you enter are in that format. Complete the bill details, such as the description, quantity, and unit amount. If your previous system doesn't have a quantity, enter 1 to complete the mandatory field. You'll need to check the amounts in the unit amount column are either all tax exclusive or tax inclusive, as you can't have both within one import file. Ensure the account code and tax type exactly match your Xero chart of accounts and tax settings, otherwise the import will fail. Once you've entered all the required information, save your import template as a CSV file. In Xero, drag and drop or click Select File to browse your computer and open the file. If you added contact addresses to the template, choose No Ignore or Yes Update the details in Xero. If you choose to update, Xero overwrites existing contact address details with the information in the CSV file. Then, select if the unit amount field is tax exclusive or inclusive of sales tax. Finally, click Confirm to import the bills. Xero processes the file and provides a summary showing the number of successful and unsuccessful imports. Xero provides the reason for unsuccessful imports, so you can easily correct them in the file before importing again. To finish the import, click Complete Import. The imported bills show as draft bills in Xero, ready for approval. Click a bill to view it and approve each one separately. Or, if you're happy with the information in the import file, select the checkboxes next to your draft bills, then select Approve and Approve Again to finalize the bills in bulk. Once the bills are approved, each bill must be edited individually if you later identify an error. Now you know how to import bills into Xero to help save you time.